Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to everybody. So today we are going to be doing a little treat for the children before they go back to school. So we will be making double chocolate chip muffins in the air fryer today. So the ingredients that we need for this are, so guys, we have 275 grams of plain flour. We have 15 grams of baking powder, 115 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 115 grams of unsalted butter, 2 eggs, 225 ml of milk, 100 grams of white chocolate chip, and 100 grams of dark chocolate chips. First of all, we are going to get our bowl and our sieve, and we are going to sieve in the flour, the cocoa powder, and the baking powder. So let's start with the flour. So guys, the flour is gone now, so we're going to add our cocoa powder and our baking powder. Then we're just going to sieve all this in with the flour. So guys, that's everything sieved in together now. And there it is. We are going to add our caster sugar and our chocolate chips. Now we're just going to mix this around. So now we're going to get a clean bowl and we are going to add in the milk, the egg, so guys, now we're going to add in our butter. So one thing to mention is when you're adding your butter should be melted. So add that in. So guys, that's it all in together now. We're just going to give it a little mix around. So now we're going to get our dry mixture and we're going to add this one into our dry mixture. So now we're going to get our spoon and we are just going to mix it together. So we want a nice thick mixture, but remember not to mix it too much. So guys, that's all mixed together now. As you can see, it's a nice thick mixture. So now we have our cake tin ready lined with our cases. So this mixture makes 12 muffins. So we're going to have to do this in 2 batches. So we're going to get our spoon and you have to fill these 2/3 of the way. Making sure it's a nice smooth top. So guys, as you can see, our cases are filled. So now I'm going to pop them into the air fryer. So pop our tray in there. And turn it on. So today we are going to be cooking on the Mega Zone and on air fry. So we're going to bring this down to 160. And we're going to do this for 12 minutes. So we will see what they are like after. So guys, it's ended. So I did check them at 12 minutes and they were still a little bit wet inside. So I added it another 3 minutes onto the timer. And now I'm just going to check them. So these are now done. So I'm going to get these ones out, put them on the resting rack, and then I will be back. So guys, the muffins are out resting. So whilst they are cooling down, I've got the next batch ready, but this time we are going to be doing them on the bake setting. And then we can compare the difference. So again, we're going to pop our pan in. So we're going to go mega zone, down to bake, up to 170. We're going to try it on 20 minutes. So we will have a look at these when they are done. Right guys, so this has gone off now. So let's give them a little check. And they are done. So turn the air fryer off. I'm going to get these out. So guys, now we have all our muffins out resting, as you can see. So this side was done on the bake setting, and this side was done on the air fry setting. So we have one here. And of course, we are going to have to taste it. So this one was done on the air frying setting. So we're just gonna cut into it. There we have it. The sponge is nice and bouncy. It's very moist. So now we are going to give it a little taste. So guys, that was absolutely delicious. So that was the quick, simple recipe for double chocolate chip muffins. One lot cooked in the air fryer at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. The other batch cooked on the bake setting at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and watch some of my other videos. There's a few on there now. So if there is anything that you would like to see me cook in the air fryer, please comment down below and I will give it a go. So guys, I will see you all soon and I hope you all have a good evening.